The Sony ZVE10 II is equipped with a 26-megapixel APS-C Exmor R CMOS image sensor, which significantly enhances image quality compared to most smartphone and compact camera sensors. This mirrorless camera offers a wide array of interchangeable lenses from Sony's esteemed G Master and G Lens series, allowing creators to capture stunning visuals with exceptional detail and bokeh. For those seeking creative flexibility, the ZVE10 II includes a creative look function with 10 customizable presets, making it easy to achieve the desired mood for both photos and videos. With real-time eye autofocus, this camera consistently tracks and maintains focus on human and animal eyes, ensuring sharp and precise images even when the subjects are in motion. The ZVE10 II is capable of capturing video in up to 60 frames per second in 4K and 120 frames per second in Full HD, offering impressive slow-motion capabilities for cinematic footage. The camera's intuitive touchscreen and vari-angle LCD design simplify shooting from various angles, making it a versatile tool for both horizontal and vertical video content creation.